Oh yeah, good job. Good job, lizard hunter.
I don't think he will come out. I think he enjoys it in there. Hey, don't hammer it.
Good job, lizard hunter. Look at me. Was that fun? He's big, huh?
And heavy.
He was heavy when I gave you that stick, huh?
He's fat.
Yep. See how fast he was when he ran, too?
Yeah, holy shit.
That sucker is quick. And here's the man who caught him. Huh, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Dad's nice watch. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Dad, let's find something. Let's catch flies, Dad. Let's go get the net and catch flies for the lizard.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's do it. Get some row shoes on, sucker.